Hello everyone, today we'll speak about ALA scholarship, the African Leadership Academy scholarships. It's for people in Africa who have a passion to stay in Africa and to serve countries in Africa and has skills for leadership. So the criteria which this association select the students for the grant or the scholarship. It's a free, full scholarship. Uh, uh, we can follow in this video and show you how to be selected and study this diploma. It's just 2 years. Before we go in this video, please subscribe to the channel to reach every new important and useful, very useful videos we upload in different aspects: programming, physics, or chess, or scholarships and grants or jobs. So follow us in this channel. The African Leadership Academy is unlike any other educational institution you will come across. This is a quote of there. You can apply, press here to apply. You can donate by pressing here. There are challenges, there are fields, different fields like economy, social and political issues uh, related to Africa and African countries. So they seek to identify the young leaders most likely to change the world, especially in Africa. I know very good students in STEM Asyut School who go in this diploma for 2 years and then they get scholarships in USA for studying PCC, Baccalaureate of Science in Engineering and in Programming, Technology, Artificial Intelligence in different aspects. So it's very well and very good opportunity to go to this academy, African Leadership Academy, ALA. Uh, this here are some student samples. You can go to this website and watch this video and be motivated and encouraged to join this academy or school. It's located in South Africa. There are many schools around Africa. Uh, this is from Zimbabwe and Nigeria, this couple, and this is from Egypt, Habiba, and this one from Uganda. You can press apply here. So selecting criteria, you fill your application in 6 parts or 6 sections. You will be asked to write essays, different essays. These essays are very important. You have to write it carefully because if you wrote these essays very carefully, you will go inside this school directly, or you can made or attend an online interview. So it will depend. This will depend. Accepting you will depend on writing in English these essays. So write them carefully with concentrating, and you can ask for assisting when writing these essays. The ALA admission process is designed to assess each candidate's leadership potential and compatibility with their diploma program. Approach is holistic, taking into account various factors such as intellectual readiness, courage, perseverance, perseverance, winnership, and interdependence. Interdependence mean to be uh, dependent on yourself. We understand that diversity is a vital component of community strength. So they seek to build a class with students from various background, cultures and perspectives. مهم جدا التنوع والفرايتي في الكالتشر، ان الكلاس يكون متكون من مجموعه من الطلاب من different countries and different backgrounds. These are they need to demonstrate academic achievement. They search for curiosity. They search for students who had critical thinking, students who have critical thinking abilities. They courage and perseverance, initiativity. They search for students who are initiative. They self-driven, motivated by themselves, winnership, impetuous, commitment to positive change, passion for African countries or their country in Africa, passion to develop their country, develop their people, and they communicate with them and enhance their situation. Independence, resourceful, is interested in engaging, foster relationships with others, practice gratitude and acknowledgement, humanity. These are what they are searching for, these positive attitudes or skills or things in the students who will join the Africa Leadership Academy. The timeline starts from July 15, early decision deadline 15 of October, and the last deadline decision will be January 15 in 2024. This means after about 16 days from today. So January 24, early decision results are released for the entry class of 2024. Regular decision results are released for the entry class of 2024 in April. And you apply, by applying here, you will fill the registration form. So what the benefits in ALA Africa Leadership Academy? Financial aid. You can get financial aid about 79 and 97 of all the cost for living and the hotel and the food and the courses and the attendance of the college. All you will receive about 97% of these costs as a fund. So the cost of tuition at LA is about 30 or about $31,000 per year. This means you will cost your cost for attending this college will be about $62,000 for the 2 years. Very huge. That means if you will transfer this amount of dollars in Egyptian pounds, يعني هتكون تكلفة حوالي اضرب حوالي $60,000 في 50 $60,000 في 5 وحط قدامها زيرو كمان، يتكلم في 3 مليون جنيه تكلفة الدراسة خلال السنتين بالمصري، 3 مليون جنيه مصري. فطبعا ده huge big money. It's big money. You will save this big money when you attend this or you catch this chance or the grant of studying in ALA. So you have 6 sections to fill. First section is your contact information, your name, your email address, your phone number, your country residence. Submit. After filling these parts, you will submit and then go to the next section. The next section ask you about more details about your school, your interesting fields, your skills in programming or in technology, in programming like programming by Python, HTML, PHP, designing websites, about your skills in robotics, your skills or your background and social network or social work or volunteering or ask you, there will be different questions. It's not the same like every year. Then the next sections will ask to write essays. These essays, as I said before, are very important because it will judge you and evaluate you to be accepted or not. So carefully write these essays with the help of your English teacher or your principal school manager, or your father, your mother, your older than you has experience in writing essays. Uh, Please subscribe to the channel to reach every new video and good and useful and important videos we upload in this channel. And don't hesitate to ask any question, and I will try to respond to you as soon as possible. With you, engineer and educator Osama Ghandour at STEM Asyut School. Thanks for watching this video.